Hello, this is Danny from Geocene, and thank you for watching this Geocene tutorial. In this screencast, you will learn how to create a Geocene account, import data into Geocene, view your data, edit metadata, and export data. Along the way, you will learn how Geocene uses missions, campaigns, and tags to organize your data. To create a Geocene account, just press the Login button from geocene.com. You will be taken to Geocene's web application where you can either log in with an existing account or create a new account. Enter your email, username, and password to create an account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. Welcome to your new Geocene account. There's not a lot to see right now because you don't have any data inside Geocene yet. Let's import some. Click the Import Data button to import new data. Today, you can import data from meters like iButtons, Wellesian, or Ksums. Geocene is continuously adding support for new types of meters, so if your meter isn't supported yet, don't worry. To import data from your meters, first select the type of meter you'll be importing data from. For example, I'll select the iButton Thermochron series of data loggers. Below this meter type selection, you can see a section to add a campaign and tags to the data you're about to import. Let's leave that blank for now, and we'll get back to it later. You can drag and drop or click this import box to choose files to import. Remember, right now you can only import data from the meter type you selected previously, so I will navigate to my folder full of iButton files and select them for import. These files will be sent to Geocene servers, parsed, and imported into the Geocene system. Once the import is complete, you can click on any of your files to see its detailed mission data. Geocene missions are collections of sensor data and metadata. A data logger file is a similar concept to a mission, but Geocene missions are much more powerful than the simple CSVs or text files created by traditional data loggers. The most prominent feature of the Mission Details view is the metrics chart. Geocene calls any sensor time series data collected by your meter metrics. The Mission Details view gives you an overview of your mission's metadata and metrics. At the top of the Mission Details view is a summary of some of the same information you saw in the mission table. Below that is the metrics chart. The metrics chart is a powerful tool that will allow you to explore your raw data as well as any events detected in that dataset. You can zoom and pan using the focus and context regions of the chart, and you can use the menu options to save or edit your chart. Once you have hundreds or even thousands of missions, it will be very important for you to organize, filter, and share your missions. Tags are the primary tool for organizing data in Geocene. Tags are text that you can use to quickly find related missions. This is similar to the way that hashtags work on services like Twitter and Instagram. Oftentimes, when using a traditional data logger, metadata tags will be encoded in your file names. Take, for example, the files we just imported. We can see that these files have awkward strings of words and numbers that probably mean something to somebody, but it's difficult to tell what they mean now. Instead of trying to parse important metadata out of a file name, we can create meaningful tags. For example, this mission is named India_100_TSF. Because we designed the naming convention for these files, we know that India is the study country, 100 is the household identifier, and TSF, or Three Stone Fire, is the stove type. We can convert these complex file names into tags by editing the mission. So, I could create a tag that just says 100. But that's still hard to read because I'm not sure what the 100 refers to. Instead, we encourage you to make categorical tags by giving tags names like household_ID:100. These categorical tags can also unlock powerful filtering and analysis tools down the road. I can also edit tags for many missions at once by selecting groups of missions from the missions page and pressing the edit button. As you collect more and more data, it is common that you might want to share your data with others. To share your mission with others, add it to a campaign. A campaign comprises a group of missions that are shared among users. Oftentimes, campaigns will encompass entire research studies where multiple researchers and field staff need to collect and share data. For example, campaigns with names like Berkeley Cookstove Intervention 2019 or Peru LPG Trial are common. Campaigns are owned by organizations, and users can belong to organizations. Contact Geocene support at info@geocene.com if you would like to set up a new organization or campaign to share missions within your organization. I will add these missions to a fake campaign called Berkeley Cookstove Intervention 2019. This campaign is owned by the fake UC Berkeley organization. Any user who is a member of the UC Berkeley organization will be able to see and edit the Berkeley Cookstove Intervention 2019 campaign and all the missions within it. Oftentimes, your raw data files may already be sorted into folders by useful metadata. In this case, you can easily apply metadata on import using the tag and campaign assignment filters in the import tool. For example, I can apply the stovetype TSF tag on import. Now that your data has been imported and organized, it's easy to filter down to the missions you care about using the mission, campaign, or tags filters. Type any part of the metadata field you're looking for or select the field from the list of options. After importing and organizing your data, you may find it useful to export your organized data. To create a data export, simply navigate to the Export Data module and start a new data export. Depending on the size of your data, it can take a few seconds or a few minutes for the export to complete. You can download your export, which will be a zipped folder of CSVs. Unzip the folder and you will find useful CSVs about missions, metrics, and events. In summary, in this training, you learned how to create a new Geocene account, import data to Geocene, view mission details including metrics and metadata, edit metadata, organize and filter missions, share missions, and export all of your Geocene data. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and we hope Geocene is helpful for your next data logging project.